A disciplined mind brings happiness. Give, even if you only have a little. Conquer anger with non-anger. Conquer badness with goodness. Conquer meanness with generosity. Conquer dishonesty with truth. Drop by drop is the water pot filled. Likewise, the wise man, gathering it little by little, fills himself with good. Should a seeker not find a companion who is better or equal, let them resolutely pursue a solitary course, in whom there is no sympathy for living beings. Know him as an outcast. Hatred is never appeased by hatred in this world. By non-hatred alone is hatred appeased. This is a law eternal. Live with no sense of mind, not forming attachment to experiences. One is not called noble who harms living beings. By not harming living beings, one is called noble. Ardently do today what must be done. Who knows? Tomorrow, death comes. The world is afflicted by death and decay, but the wise do not grieve. Having realized the nature of the world, they blame those who remain silent. They blame those who speak much. They blame those who speak in moderation. There is none in the world who is not blamed. Just as the great ocean has one taste, the taste of salt, so also this teaching and discipline has one taste, the taste of liberation. If with a pure mind a person speaks or acts, happiness follows them like a never-departing shadow. The root of suffering is attachment. Whatever precious jewel there is in the heavenly worlds, there is nothing comparable to one who is awakened. All experiences are preceded by mind, having mind as their master, created by mind. Purity and impurity depend on oneself. No one can purify another, ceasing to do evil, cultivating the good, purifying the heart. This is the teaching of the Buddhas. Just as a solid rock is not shaken by the storm, even so the wise are not affected by praise or blame. There is no fear for one whose mind is not filled with desires. Whatever is not yours, let go of it. Your letting go of it will be for your long-term happiness and benefit. If you knew what I know about the power of giving, you would not let a single meal pass without sharing it in some way. One who conquers himself is greater than another who conquers 1,000 times 1,000 men on the battlefield. Be victorious over yourself and not over others. Conquer anger through gentleness, unkindness through kindness, greed through generosity, and falsehood by truth. Train your body in deeds, train your tongue in words, train your mind in thoughts. This training will take you beyond sorrow. You cannot travel the path until you have become the path itself. The only real failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. When you attain victory over yourself, not even the gods can turn it into defeat. Silence the angry man with love. Silence the ill-natured man with kindness. Silence the miser with generosity. Silence the liar with truth. One moment can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world. Faith and prayer both are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. Words have the power to both destroy and heal. When words are both true and kind, they can change our world. Everything that happens to us is the result of what we ourselves have thought, said, or done. We alone are responsible for our lives. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. An insincere and evil friend is more to be feared than a wild beast. A wild beast may wound your body, but an evil friend will wound your mind.